De La Salle Brothers Incorporation, Social Action Unit, and to Mr. Racy Martin del Rosario, given this day in grateful recognition of their generous support and timely assistance to the communities affected by the recent natural disasters. Your compassion and commitment have made a meaningful impact on the lives of those in need. Given this 12th day of August 2025 at the Diocesan Pastoral Center, the Ambacal Road, Barangay de La Paz, Antipolo City. Signed by Ms. Ramona S. Valencia, SAC Program Coordinator, and Reverend Father Alexander V. N. Hines, Director, Social Action Center of the Diocese of Antipolo. Muli po, palakpakan po natin si Mr. President.